Lisette here. I am back in my room in LA. It seems like I haven't filmed a video like this in forever. I have lately been wearing a certain ponytail, and a lot of you guys were asking for me to show you guys how I've been rocking like my sleek ponytail. This is literally beach hair, and let me just show you guys, like, this is beach hair crazy. This is crazy hair right now. So I'm gonna transform this to a sleek ponytail. So I'm starting off with my spray bottle, and I'm literally going to spray just the top because you don't want to spritz the back portion because you want that to be like kind of frizzy. This is my Tangle Teaser brush. It's like the one that has the handle on it, and I really like this one because I feel like it's not super rough on my hair, especially when I comb it dry. Like, I usually never comb my hair dry, but just for this style, I like to just brush out the curls a little bit. So, especially like at the top, I just kind of like slowly brush really gently. You don't want to be really rough with it. You can see my hair is like starting to get big at the bottom, but at the top it's getting flat, and that's exactly what we're trying to go for. But the thing is, you never want to comb your hair like this, like really hard from the root, and I never do that. But for this style, I'm just very gently kind of brushing the top, you know, brushing the bottom. You can work your way up from the bottom. None of my hair is being ripped out or anything. Like, I'm being very gentle. I'm not even like going through my hair all the way. I'm just kind of gently combing it. Your hair basically should look like a triangle or something similar to a triangle. Next is the part. I usually just use my fingers because my nails are so long. And so I'm going to part my hair down the middle. Moving from the Tangle Teaser to my favorite brush. This is like a Boar bristled kind of hard brush, but it's not like super hard. It's just hard enough. For my gel, I'm gonna use the Got To Be Ultra Glued. This gel is not gonna go anywhere. So what I want to do is kind of like bring this down. Taking my hair tie, and I'm just going to start putting my hair into a ponytail and brushing it back. Kind of have these edges out like this onto my forehead. Having my hair in this ponytail, I'm going to take my gel and I'm going to put it on my brush. Start brushing it back. Add some more and do the other side. I'm gonna take my hair tie, just wrap it around. I really don't have long edges, so for me, I have to kind of like make my own edges. So I do a little swoop right here. And then use the comb. Take these out. Brush it back. And take these out and brush it back. So this side dried up a little bit, and just sprayed it with some water because you don't want to work on edges already dry. I've never really been like a girl to like the whole edges thing, but I've really just been trying to, you know, experiment a little bit. Moving on to the makeup. And I'm just lining underneath my brow and tracing it. This is the Covergirl Soft Brown Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. To clean them up, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is like a brand new container. Cleaned up the brows, and let's bring this concealer on our lids like always. Okay, so I'm trying to debate right now if I want to use color or if I want to do something natural. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do the makeup I've been wearing on my Instagram. I want to do it, but I know that you guys are going to be like, Lisette, show us something different, please. Just set it really quick with some powder. I'm not even using a mirror right now. That's skills right there. This is the Aura palette from Bad Habit Beauty. I've never used this before, and I don't even know if I've heard of this brand before, but I found this in my makeup collection when I was looking for stuff to use, and I was like, you know what, I've never touched this. Let's go for it. Let's see if we can just only use this one palette. We're gonna go into Haze, which is this mauve-y pink. Next, I'm going into the color Vibe right here, which is basically like a chocolate brown. And let's put this right on the outer corner here. Just gonna place it on in the crease. And then I'll blend it out with a blending brush. I'm gonna spritz my brush with some Smashbox primer water. Then going back into this orange, I'm placing this on the outer edge. I'm gonna use literally the same brush but the opposite side. Dip into this gold and press this on the inner portion of my lid. It's really, really, really pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the face and we're gonna come back to the eyes. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 300. My face is so pale, like you will finally see how it matches. Go back to the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade medium. Just put this under my eyes. Out of all the places a pimple could show up, it shows up like right here. Just wipe it away. I'm using my dark chocolate Soleil by Too Faced to bronze up my face. For my blush, I'm using MAC Desert Rose. It's like, this is a color that you literally can't go wrong with. Just gonna bring it up. So I'm gonna use my Photo Finish Primer Water first to spritz my face, and then I'm gonna go in with my Hustler Baby from Fenty Beauty. My face just looks so super matte right now, and it's like driving me crazy, so. little bit above the brow. And we'll do on the nose and on the bridge and all above the lip. So back into the eyes, I'm gonna take that mauve color and just run this on my lower lash line. And then I'm just using the brown on the outside. I'm using my Tarte Maneater eyeliner, and I'm just going to create a very thin wing. Just like that. I used to never be able to do it with one hand. Okay, and I do have lash extensions, but my lashes currently are acting very kind of, you know, crazy. Like, they are basically on their last couple days. So I'm gonna use some lashes, and every time I get lash extensions, I'm like, do I want to get a fill or do I want to let my natural lashes be? Because I love lash extensions, but I hate them at the same time. This is so hard, oh my gosh. This is like more so to add some fullness. I cannot tell you how hard this is with lash extensions. Wow, this is so hard. And for my lips, I'm gonna use this Burberry liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Fawn. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope that you guys liked this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. It feels so good. It feels so good to be back. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video.